Okay, we got something speeding coming up on us. Is it the Camaro Merc combo? I think they're speeding. The mirrors are, what do you call it, shaking so much that I can't tell. No, I don't think it is. Never mind. I saw some sort of LED lights, that's why. That's why I thought that. And them white lights like that, man. Some white lights like that, man. Some white lights like that, man. We do have a Mustang, though. I don't know what the car behind me is, though. I can't see. These mirrors are absolute. They're not bad. They're bad in the sense you can't see detail, but you can still see if someone's like behind you. Ooh, Ducati. Jigsaw. We have the Mustang behind us. I don't know if you guys can see. So like I said, Broly has to climb the ranks and train with them all before she F's the best. You can't just F the best, but it's pretty nice that there's all... Why are you braking, dog? This guy's just a douchebag, that's what he is, plain and simple. Why are you braking again? Unless you're turning, you shouldn't be braking. There's literally nobody in front of you for miles. This car just got in front of you. Stop him, that was that car that was sitting around. I'm in third gear, homie. Okay, she jerked on me a little bit when I switched gears. I thought I could go faster, but it didn't go that fast. I could have lane split up ahead, but... It's 5 years, son. That was good. Alright, so that was pretty easy. That's one way to break her in, right? Ah, that exhaust. Alright, so we're gonna pull over for a second. I wanna go over the stats with you guys. In the room. I don't want to go over that bird. What is that? You gotta love Mustangs though. They're always down to have fun, man. They're always down to clown. That's one thing you gotta love about them. What up, cuz? I don't want to hit the brake too hard because it said in the manual you shouldn't. I just want to level the ground to park on. Let's go here. There you go. There you go. Just a level ground I park on. That's it. That's it. It's there somewhere. There you go. Alright guys, we're just taking a little break. The beautiful Broly in all of her glory. Oh, that rhymes. We're gonna use that a lot more. Broly and glory. So this is Broly that just stomped on a Mustang as part of her training. I know, like for braking, you're supposed to keep it down a certain RPM. So that's one of the reasons that we did not redline her. Because if we redline her, she would have been gone. Gone, but she gone. Count money, we gone. But yeah, so I think that was pretty exciting for a break-in. I didn't take it all the way, like I said, because she's still in training. The engine speed or the engine level is at low. It's not even on medium. We're riding in street mode, but I changed the street mode because street mode by default has engine at medium, so I changed it to low, which I believe is for like a rain mode or something when you're riding in the rain. But we wanted to keep it a little bit different because I don't want to go ham on it just yet. Not until his first service is done. We did the same thing with Nimbus. Nimbus still a clown, but within her limits. So with Broly, she's gonna clown still and make sex tapes, but with caution. Coolest thing is that the first sex tape that I think Nimbus made was with a Charger, and then the first sex tape that she made was with a Mustang, and a modded Mustang. I was hoping it would have been not like a GT, but like one of those, I don't know if it was a GT, I can't tell Mustang models. You guys are gonna help me with that, but I wanted to be one of those, one with the emblem of a cobra or a snake or something. Those are supposed to be, you know, pretty hella fast. We're still breaking her in. These tires are not for the street, but we're still using it for the street. As you guys can tell, a lot more lean needs to be achieved, which it will. I know these tires are like, these pair of tires are like custom made for Ducati, I believe, because they're 260s, I believe. 200-60s. And I think Nimbus takes 200-50s. So these are more expensive, the Pirelli Supercorsa Diablo SP V3s or something. But, and they're not supposed to be meant for the street because they're super sticky and stuff, but we're also going to keep buying it because I like having these tires and I love the name of it. I don't have a rear camera on her yet because it's going to be right here, which is going to suck because I don't want to ruin the tail or whatever, but we're not going to have it just yet because if I have it, then I'll do more stuff. That's why I'm not taking her to Supercar Alley yet. We're not going to take her to Supercar Alley, but once we get the mirrors removed, then you guys will have a better angle of everything because this won't come in the way. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that the training is going pretty well, as you guys saw, but full clowning will not happen until the first service is done. After that, we'll start playing with the modes, setting them up just like we did on Nimbus, and then I'll go full red line and stuff like that, because with a quick shifter you can easily go red line and maintain different gears because I don't have to use a clutch as much. But even though sometimes I still use a clutch because it's more fun, adds more to the excitement. So we're gonna take it nice and easy and continue the ride. But for you guys, the video is over, and I want to thank everyone for tuning in and watching the video. Make sure to go on Riding Insane on Instagram to share some love and to see more pictures of Nimbus, Kakarot, and Broly. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. Until next time, me and Broly say goodbye.
like his memories not let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track.